Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, we are going to be looking at the Dell Precision 7820 workstation. Although other operating systems may work, the ones listed on the screen are certified by the manufacturer to run. Before diving into the technical specifications, let's go over the physical characteristics of the system. The dimensions of the workstation are as follows: 16.45 inches tall, 20.4 inches deep, and 6.94 inches wide. And the system has a starting weight of 32 pounds. This system supports two Intel Xeon scalable processors and up to 384GB of 2933MHz DDR4 RAM. It has four 3.5-inch hot swap hard drive bays and one internal 5.25-inch bay. Looking at the outside of the system, we can see convenient carrying handles for easier mobility. The 7820 offers a few different removable storage options. It offers one slimline bay for DVD-ROM, DVD-RW, or a CAC PIV card reader. There is also a 5.25-inch bay that can be used for DVD-RW, Blu-ray, a standard SD slot, or for additional hard drives. The power button is located at the top of the system, which glows when the system is turned on. The front ports of the system include two USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A, two USB 3.1 Type C, one universal audio jack, and one SD card slot. Moving along to the back, note the rear power supply and power plug. The Dell 7820 supports a 950 watt power supply, and swapping or replacing it is easier than ever. The back of the system has the following ports: 6 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A, one RJ45 network connection, one serial port, two PS2 ports, one audio line out, and one audio line in. The hot swap hard drive trays can be accessed from the front of the system by removing the front panel. The hard drives are installed into these trays. With the appropriate adapters, the 3.5-inch trays can be converted for use with 2.5-inch solid-state drives, and up to two of the trays can be replaced with FlexBay modules for M.2 NVMe drives. The Dell 7820 supports up to 6 2.5-inch or 5 3.5-inch drives, and front access storage including SATA, SAS, and PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD. The system can be configured for up to 68 terabytes total storage. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the cover. We can now explore the internal components. The system has a 6 gigabit per second integrated Intel chipset SATA controller with 6 SATA ports, plus 2 dedicated ports for optical drives, and can support RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10. Additional RAID options are available through the use of other RAID controllers. The motherboard has the following PCIe slots: 2 PCIe X16, 1 PCIe X16 wired as X8, 1 PCIe X16 wired as X4, one PCIe X16 wired as X1, and one PCI 3233. PCIe Gen 3 slots are typically used for video cards. Please note the system comes with two 8-pin power connectors that can easily be converted to 6-pin. The system also has an optional mounting bracket designed to secure larger video cards. The Dell 7820 supports the video cards listed on the screen. The 7820 workstation can support two double-width PCIe X16 Gen 3 300-watt graphics cards, up to 600 watts total with one CPU, and up to two 160-watt single-width graphics cards with dual CPU configurations. The 7820 motherboard has one CPU slot, but a second CPU riser can be added to boost performance. This system can support one or two first or second generation Intel Xeon scalable processor CPUs with up to 28 cores per processor. The Dell 7820 supports the processors listed on the screen. There are a total of 6 2933MHz DDR4 DIMM slots on the motherboard, with another 6 on the second CPU riser. Each slot can support up to 32GB for a total of 384GB of RAM with dual processors, or 192 with one. Please ensure you are using one of the memory configurations shown on the screen for optimal memory bandwidth, and check out our 7820 memory installation video for more tips. All in all, the Dell Precision 7820 is a wonderful high-end system that can handle the most demanding applications, including AI and virtual reality workflows. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.